Gamers across the USA are cashing in on virtual worlds. In the next 1 minute, I will show you how online gaming economies can turn your playtime into real profit in 2026. Popular games like Fortnite, Roblox, and World of Warcraft have thriving marketplaces. Players buy and sell skins, in-game currency, and even accounts. With millions of American gamers online daily, demand for rare items is massive, and that's where the money is. Focus on games you already enjoy. Grind for rare items, design custom skins, or build maps. Roblox even lets you monetize creations directly. For trading, stick to official marketplaces or trusted US platforms to keep transactions safe. Once you know what sells, specialize. Some gamers flip accounts, others create digital assets, and some stream their trading tips for extra ad revenue. Combining these strategies can multiply your earning potential. Gaming is not just entertainment, it's a business. Subscribe for more US-focused online earning strategies and start turning your gaming skills into cash today.